Next sum, that is how to do the addition of plus 5. Okay, so you have to change the formula here, that is plus 5, that means plus 10, and what's the friend number of 5 here? That is, answer is 5. Okay, so that is plus 5 equal to plus 10 minus 5. Let me start our addition sum, children. That is 6. Okay, 6 and plus 5. Plus 5 means plus 10 minus 5. Answer is 11. Okay, and that is here 5. Okay, 5 plus 5 plus 10 minus 5. Answer is 10. Okay, and next sum here, listen here. That is 3. Okay, 3 plus 5. No need of that is this formula because 5 is here. Okay, so 3 plus 5, answer is 8. Okay, and next last sum, that is 4. Okay, 4, listen here. No need of formula, that is 4. Here is a 5 value finger. So 4 plus 5, answer is 9. Can you understand? Okay, next we move on to that is plus addition of 4. Okay, plus 4. Okay, here you have to change the formula. How to change this? That is plus 4. Okay, plus 10 minus friend number of 4 is 6. Okay, listen here. So now we are doing this addition, that is 6. So 6, okay, plus 4. Plus 4 means plus 10 minus 6. Answer is 10. Okay, and next sum, that is 5. Okay, 5 plus 4. No need of formula because 4 fingers are here itself. So 5 plus 4, answer is 9. Okay, and next sum, that is 3. Okay, 3 plus 4. Okay, plus 4 means here that is plus 4 for plus 10. Okay, minus 6. But here that is 3. Okay, plus 4 means plus 5 minus 1. So 7. Okay, answer is 7. And next one, that is 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 means plus 5 minus 1. So answer is 8. Okay, similarly for minus 5 formula, let me do this both this sum. How to do this? That is plus 5 similarly, that is minus 5 and plus 2, that is plus 2 equal to plus 5 minus 3, and similar to that of plus 3 equal to plus 5 minus friend number of 2, and plus 4 means that is plus 5 minus friend number of 4. This by using this technique we did both this sum. Okay, you can understand, that is for addition of below the number of 5. So plus 2, starting with the same sign here, and should put the opposite sign and write down this friend number. Here 2 is the friend number of 3 and here 1 is the friend number of 4. So similarly this is a minus formula, this is a plus formula. Okay, so simply by doing plus 4, and let me next move to the plus 3 and change this formula. Plus 3 here itself plus 3. So plus 10. What's the friend number of 3 children? That is 7. Okay. So first sum, that is 6. That is 6 plus 3 here itself. So first 6 plus 3, no need of formula because here itself the 3 fingers. So plus 3, answer is 9. Okay, and similar to that of here, that is 5. Okay, and plus 3, so 3 finger here itself. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. Okay, and here that is 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. So answer is 6. So plus 3 here the formula. So answer is 6. Okay, this sum refers to this formula, and that is 4. Okay, this is 4, and plus 3 means plus 5 minus 2. So answer is 7. Okay, and let me move on to the next, that is plus 2. Plus 2. And here the friend number of 8. This finger abacus is a basic method of next, that is Chinese abacus kit. Do you know the kit? That is more than that, I think it's 11 rods, and that's a Chinese abacus kit. Before you are entering, that is your children are going to do that method of kit. Okay, before that you have to train the children only by using this finger abacus. Let me, that is familiar to that, and continuous practice of this both hand and fingers and the friend numbers. So it's a repeater, that is calculation and number manipulation. It improves your children, that is improves your memory speed. Okay, what's the number, what's the friend number, and add, minus, that is, so calculation, and that's, and improves your logic sense also. So before using your abacus Chinese kit, that is a 11 rod kit, do you know that? I will show you in next class. Before that, by train your children only with abacus is important. And let me know, that is plus 2. Okay, so let me now calculate this, that is plus 2 for this first 6. I am doing now this here. Okay, listen here, 6 and plus 2, here is the no need of formula, that is plus 2. 2 fingers are here. So answer is 8. Okay, and next one, that is 5 and plus 2. Okay, answer is 7. Okay, and next one, that is 3. Okay, 3 plus 2 means plus 5 minus 3. So answer is 5. Okay, and next, that is 4. Okay, plus 2 means plus 5 minus 3. So answer is 6. Okay children, and finally that is one more addition of number, that is plus 1. So that's we are going to ending in a formula, that is plus 1. Okay, plus 1. And change here, that is plus 1 means friend number of 1 is here 9. Okay, so let me do this, 6. Okay, plus 1, that is 7, and here 5 plus 1, answer is 6, and 3 plus 1, answer is 4. Okay, and 4 plus 1 4, that is plus 5 minus 4, answer is 5. Okay, so this is a simple calculation technique only using your both hand fingers, and train your children that improves your calculation, that is mathematical logical sense and calculation, accuracy and speed, and also to train the next abacus kid also very that is very easy to them, because calculations and formulas by this finger method they have to by heart in our hand, then improve our speed. Next we have to introduce the abacus kit, 11 rod kit, and how to move the abacus beads by using your only that is thumb finger, forefinger, and the hold the pencil also, because this board, right, and it also important to that is how to hold the pencil itself. So this is a way to hold the pencil. So for this pen, so for both this finger you have to move the abacus beads next level. So this is a thumb finger and forefinger. I told in our that is LKG abacus kit also I have to show these fingers only. So by practicing the that is movement of beads, practice this thumb finger and forefinger and hold the pencil here. So move it and write the pencil, hold it and write down the answer. So pencil holding also very important in this, between the hand coordination also. So I hope you children you have very much enjoyed and learned so much new techniques. I hope you, and kindly share this video to your friends and relatives, and follow your support, and thanks for watching Pebbles channel. Thank you.